Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful stone crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy our videos. So friends, let's start today the videos. So friends, the best thing about stone craft is that they are fun for both children. You do not need expensive material, just collect some smooth stones, wash them well, let them dry and start creating. Our first idea is painting ladybug. Sorry. Reverse my first idea. Pebble cards is Pebble family art arranges different size pebble to look like parent children. Even pets add simple lines with the black marker to create legs or a tree. Place the artwork in a picture frame for a lovely home decoration. Another wonderful idea is a Pebble animal. Make cute dogs, birds, fish, turtle, cats, butterfly by arranging small stones on a canvas or wooden pot. These crafts are fun for both kids and adults and viewers. My next idea is a viewers. Frames. So reverse. Frames. A Pebble flower art is also very beautiful. Use Pebble for the flower center and paint colorful pattern around them. You can also create flowers completely from tiny pebbles. This nature artwork looks perfect in any room. If you enjoy decorating your garden, make Pebble's gardens include pebbles into flower pot or decorate stepping stone with colorful patterns. This simple project make your outdoor space look fresh and vibrant. And dear viewers, my next idea is frames. Viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers.